Okay guys, those who are replacing a control card, these cards do have to be programmed in order for them to be set to the correct number of pumps. Once you know the correct number of pumps, you're going to push and hold the program button down until you see DISC. Then you're going to push the program button several times until you see SU, which I passed it. Once you see SU, push and hold the program button down firmly for another 10 to 15 seconds. It's going to pop up and say P equals a number. That number will need to equal the correct number of pumps that you have. So if you have three main pumps and a circulation pump, that would be what you want. Or 3 pumps, or 2 pumps and a circulation pump. This customer is 2C. S equals 3 is your service amps, how many pumps will run with the heater being on. The U is for, I think it's English or something. B equals B is if you have a blower option. If you don't have a blower, then it would be dash. If you do have a blower, it's B. Okay, and this spot has a blower. And then program, LS equals 2. 2 is going to be for pump number 2 if you have a 1-speed or a 2-speed pump number 2. And then push program again, P equals 2C. To get out of the menu, you can push any button to save it. Once you get it programmed, I do recommend that you put your cover on and simply drape over a plastic bag in case the silicone seal goes bad here. Water does not get onto those control cards.